Can a $5,000 investment really make a difference in your future? Is this investment enough to pay over $5,000 per month in dividends? In this video, I'll show you and John 5 different growth stocks, each better than the last. I'll show you how these stocks stack up and precisely how much you could earn from each one. Spoiler alert, a few stocks have the potential to make John a multimillionaire. In the end, I'll show you how you can combine these stocks into a portfolio, make it less risky, and still make over $100,000 in annual dividends. Now, to reach our goal, we need to have a solid criteria for selecting top dividend stocks. When it comes to dividend investing, not all stocks are equal. To identify the best options for John's portfolio, we consider several key factors. First, look at dividend yield. A higher yield suggests a better income stream, balanced with the company's sustainability. Next, consider the dividend payout ratio. A lower ratio indicates potential for future growth, while a higher ratio may pose some risks. Also, analyze historical dividend growth rates with a preference for companies with consistent increases. Stability and performance are crucial as well. Focus on firms with strong balance sheets and resilience. Based on these criteria, we've identified 5 stocks offering solid dividends and long-term growth potential ranked from good to best and value creation. Let's start with our first stock. At number 5, we have Extra Space Storage with the ticker symbol EXR. This company has become a dominant player in the self-storage industry, known for its consistent performance and impressive dividend payouts. Extra Space Storage has a current dividend yield of 4.14%, which is quite attractive for income-focused investors. But what makes this stock particularly interesting is its dividend growth rate, which stands at a robust 14.52%. With a 10-year average share price appreciation of 11.47%, the company's strategic expansion and acquisition plans have further solidified its position in the market, ensuring sustained growth and profitability. Now let's look into the numbers to see how a $5,000 investment in Extra Space Storage could grow over time. If John invested $5,000 today, after 1 year his investment would be worth $5,781. Fast forward 10 years and the investment could grow to around $22,491. After 20 years, this amount will grow to $116,650. And after 30 years, John could be looking at an investment worth a staggering $730,928, paying $59,590 in annual dividends, or a monthly dividend income of about $4,966. The total value added through capital appreciation would be $415,071, while the total dividend reinvestment would contribute an additional $310,857 to John's investment. The impressive growth and solid dividend payments of Extra Space Storage make it a compelling choice for dividend investors. The company's ability to increase its dividends consistently and its strong performance in the self-storage market highlight its potential as a long-term investment. Additionally, the resilience of the self-storage industry, even during economic downturns, adds an extra layer of security to John's investment, and this is the reason why EXR made it to our list. Next, at number 4, we have the Home Depot with the ticker symbol HD. Known as the largest home improvement retailer in the United States, Home Depot has consistently delivered strong financial performance and shareholder returns. Its current dividend yield is 2.59%, and it has an impressive dividend growth rate of 17.57%. Over the past decade, the company's average share price appreciation has been 15.8%. Over the past decade, the company's average share price appreciation has been 15.8%, reflecting its robust market position and effective business strategies. To see the potential impact of investing in Home Depot, let's break down the numbers. If John invested $5,000 today, after 1 year his investment would be worth approximately $5,920. Over a decade, this investment could grow to about $27,545. After 20 years, the initial investment could expand to $158,775. And after 30 years, it could reach an astounding $965,689, paying $34,637 in annual dividends, or a monthly dividend income of around $2,886. The total value added through capital appreciation would be $768,063, while the total dividend reinvestment would contribute an additional $192,626 to John's investment. So the returns so far are good, but up next, we'll show you stocks that have the potential to reach multi-million-dollar valuations. By the end, we'll show you a portfolio of these stocks that consistently pays over $100,000 in annual dividends. Home Depot's success can be attributed to several factors, including its dominant market position, efficient supply chain, and innovative customer service initiatives. The company's ability to adapt to changing market conditions and consumer preferences has helped it maintain its growth trajectory. This adaptability, combined with a strong financial foundation, makes Home Depot a reliable choice for dividend investors. Additionally, Home Depot has focused on enhancing its online presence and integrating digital solutions to complement its physical stores. This omni-channel approach has not only increased customer satisfaction but also boosted sales, contributing to the company's overall growth. The strategic expansion into new markets and continuous improvement in product offerings ensure that Home Depot remains a leader in the home improvement sector. Hence the reason for inclusion in our portfolio. Next, at number 3, we have Lowe's companies with the ticker symbol Lowe. Lowe's is another heavyweight in the home improvement retail sector, often considered a direct competitor to Home Depot. Known for its extensive range of products and strong customer service, Lowe's has carved out a significant market share in this lucrative industry. The current dividend yield for Lowe's is 2.06%. Over the past decade, the company has shown remarkable consistency in increasing its dividends, standing at 19.84%. The 10-year average share price appreciation for Lowe's stands at 17.16%. Based on these figures, if John invests $5,000 in this stock, after 1 year his investment will be valued at approximately $5,961. Over 10 years, this investment could grow to around $29,660. Fast forward 20 years and the investment has the potential to reach $186,597. Finally, after 30 years, John's $5,000 could balloon to an impressive $1,266,682, paying $46,207 in annual dividends, translating to a monthly dividend income of about $3,851. The total value added through capital appreciation would be $1,025,772, while the total dividend reinvestment would contribute an additional $235,910 to John's investment. Lowe's success is driven by its strong market position, innovative business practices, and relentless focus on customer satisfaction. The company has effectively managed to balance expansion and profitability, ensuring steady growth in shareholder value. Its ability to adapt to market trends, such as the increasing importance of e-commerce, has further strengthened its competitive edge. Next on our list is NetEase with the ticker symbol NTES. NetEase is a leading Chinese technology company known for its diverse portfolio, including online services, gaming, e-commerce, and education. The company has consistently demonstrated strong financial performance and robust dividend payouts, making it an attractive option for dividend investors. NetEase currently offers a dividend yield of 2.8% and has a remarkable dividend growth rate of 22.18%. To top it off, its 10-year average share price appreciation also stands at 19.85%. Based on these metrics, if John invests $5,000 in this stock, after 1 year his investment would be valued at $6,133. Over 10 years, this investment could grow to around $39,509. Fast forward to 20 years, and his initial investment will grow to $333,269. After 30 years, it has the potential to reach $3,050,440, paying $132,929 in annual dividends, which translates to a monthly dividend income of about $11,077. The total value added through capital appreciation would be $2,432,859, while the total dividend reinvestment would contribute an additional $612,581 to John's investment. NetEase thrives on innovation and adapts well to market shifts, bolstered by diverse revenue streams and a strong presence in China. Its investments in new technologies like cloud gaming and e-learning enhance revenue prospects. With consistent dividend growth and robust performance, NetEase offers both steady income and potential for long-term capital gains. Its proactive strategy in innovation and market expansion cements its position as a top choice for investors seeking diversified income and growth opportunities in the tech sector. Now, before showing you a portfolio of these stocks that's less risky and consistently pays over $100,000 in annual dividends, at number 1, we have Warren Buffett's favorite, Lennar Corporation, with the ticker symbol LENB. Lennar is one of the leading home builders in the United States, known for its diverse range of homes and strong market presence. The company's been a consistent performer, delivering solid returns to its shareholders through both dividends and capital gains. Lennar currently offers a dividend yield of 1.4%, and it has an exceptional dividend growth rate of 27.03%. And the 10-year average share price appreciation for Lennar stands at 15.42%. Lennar's success can be attributed to its ability to navigate the cyclical nature of the real estate market effectively. The company has focused on diversifying its product offerings and expanding into new markets, which has helped it maintain steady growth. Additionally, Lennar's investment in technology to enhance its construction processes and customer experience has positioned it as a leader in the home building industry. Investing in Lennar offers the dual benefits of a growing income stream and substantial long-term capital gains. Let's break down the potential returns from a $5,000 investment in Lennar. After 1 year, John's investment would be worth approximately $5,841. Over 10 years, the investment could grow to about $25,791. Fast forward to 20 years, and John's initial investment has the potential to reach $198,366. After 30 years, that $5,000 investment could reach an impressive $4,601,537, paying $1,043,417 in annual dividends, translating to a monthly dividend income of about $86,951. The total value added through capital appreciation would be $1,717,306. While the total dividend reinvestment would contribute an additional $2,879,231 to John's investment. So, these numbers look great, right? But does this mean you should go all in on LENB? Well, the correct answer to that is a big no. Even though LENB has the highest portfolio valuation and dividend payout, putting all your eggs in one basket is a big no in the investing world. So what's the solution here? The answer is a well-diversified portfolio. By combining all the stocks, you can achieve a balanced portfolio that leverages the strengths of each stock. This combined portfolio results in some impressive metrics, which you can calculate by adding the respective percentages, then dividing by 5. The portfolio's current dividend yield stands at 2.6%, with an average dividend growth rate of 20.23% and a 10-year share average growth of 15.94%. So let's break down the potential returns from a $5,000 investment spread equally across these 5 stocks. After 1 year, the total portfolio value would be approximately $5,927. After 10 years, the portfolio will grow to around $28,715. Fast forward 20 years, and the investment could reach $189,211. Finally, after 30 years, the portfolio has the potential to reach an impressive $1,531,340, paying $107,789 in annual dividends, or a monthly dividend income of about $8,982. The total value added through capital appreciation would be $1,041,482, while the total dividend reinvestment would contribute an additional $484,858 to the portfolio's overall value. Even though this valuation is lower than our top pick, the combined portfolio return will be more consistent than any one stock alone. To achieve the same valuation and payout with a monthly contribution of only $200, click the video on the screen.